In today's world, capturing memories doesn't have to break the bank. Whether you're a budding photographer or simply looking for an affordable way to document your adventures, finding the best cheap cameras can make a world of difference. With technology advancing rapidly, there are now numerous budget-friendly options that offer impressive features and quality. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best cheap cameras on the market, perfect for ensuring you don't miss a moment without overspending. Let's dive in. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Akaso Brave 7 LE action camera. Are you looking for an affordable action camera that doesn't compromise on features? The Brave 7 LE should definitely be on your radar. This camera offers a compelling package, especially for vloggers, thanks to its convenient front-facing screen that makes it easy to frame your shots while recording. You'll find that the audio quality is commendable, often surpassing many budget action cams, providing clear and crisp sound during quieter moments. One of the most appealing aspects of the Brave 7 LE is its user-friendly touchscreen interface, which simplifies navigation for users of all levels. At just 127 grams, this lightweight camera is also designed to be waterproof up to IPX7 standards without a case. When paired with the protective case, it can handle depths of up to 40 meters, allowing you to capture stunning underwater adventures. The camera supports 4K video at 30 frames per second, along with impressive 1080p at 120 frames per second and 720p at 240 frames per second, catering to various filming needs, whether you're capturing high-motion actions or slower cinematic moments. With a 20-megapixel stills resolution, the Brave 7 LE enables you to snap striking images alongside your videos. However, be mindful that the video quality can appear slightly soft, and the image stabilization may not match the performance of leaders in the market like GoPro. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Brave 7 LE stands out as a versatile and affordable option to enhance your creative projects. At number 4, KODAK PIXPRO WPZ2 Rugged Waterproof Camera. Are you ready to capture life's adventures with a camera that can keep up with your active lifestyle? The KODAK PIXPRO WPZ2 Rugged Waterproof Camera is designed for you. With its impressive waterproof rating of up to 15 meters, this camera can handle your underwater explorations or rainy day hikes without any worries. It's also shockproof, able to withstand drops from heights of up to 2 meters, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and families alike. Equipped with a 16-megapixel backside illuminated complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor, the WPZ2 delivers stunning images. Whether you're snapping photos or recording 1080p Full HD videos, ideal for vlogging. The 4x optical zoom ensures you can get up close and personal with your subjects, while digital image stabilization helps you capture clear, shake-free shots, even in motion. With its user-friendly 2.7-inch LCD screen, navigating through settings and options is effortless. Plus, the camera features Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to share your adventures instantly with friends and family. The WPZ2 is compatible with microSD and microSD high-capacity cards, giving you enough space to store all your memories. Equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, this durable camera is ready whenever your next adventure calls. Embrace the excitement of exploration and capture every moment with the reliability of the KODAK PIXPRO WPZ2. Number 3, we have the Nikon D3500 camera. Are you ready to embark on your photography journey? The Nikon D3500 stands out as an excellent budget-friendly camera designed specifically for beginners like you. One of its most valuable features is the guide mode, which offers step-by-step instructions on photography fundamentals, helping you learn the ropes while you shoot. This hands-on approach makes the D3500 a perfect companion as you explore your creative side. Even though it's an entry-level DSLR, the D3500 doesn't skimp on image quality. Its advanced photo system Type-C sensor captures impressive photos that can match those taken with pricier models, allowing you to take stunning shots and hone your skills. Weighing in as compact and lightweight, It's easy to carry along on your adventures, ensuring you won't miss a moment. You'll also appreciate the exceptional battery life. This camera is designed to support your creative ambitions, enabling you to shoot all day without the inconvenience of frequent battery changes. Plus, as your skills evolve, the wide variety of compatible lenses will open up new avenues for creativity, allowing you to experiment and expand your photographic horizons. However, keep in mind that the D3500 has been discontinued, so searching for a reliable used model is your best bet. Whether you're capturing beautiful landscapes, intimate portraits, or candid moments, the Nikon D350 is a fantastic choice for embarking on your photography journey. At number 2, Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera. The Canon EOS R100 is a compact and lightweight mirrorless camera, weighing just over 350 grams, making it an ideal companion for your adventures. Its portability allows you to easily slip it into your rucksack or handbag, ensuring you're always prepared to capture spontaneous moments. While its compact design offers convenience, you may notice that the number of physical controls is somewhat limited. Most features are accessed through the screen, but the R100's intuitive guided interface will help you navigate these functions with ease. Designed with beginners in mind, this camera provides helpful explanations for essential photography concepts, including how to achieve a shallow depth of field. As you explore its capabilities, you'll appreciate the impressive 24.1 megapixel advanced photo system Type-C sensor that delivers outstanding image quality. The fixed 3-inch screen and the electronic viewfinder with 2.36 million dots offer a clear view of your subjects, ensuring you capture every detail. You can shoot stunning 4K video at up to 25p, though be mindful of the 1.55x crop factor. With a maximum burst rate of 6.5 frames per second, the R100 excels in capturing fast-moving scenes, whether you're photographing action or documenting life's fleeting moments. While the fewer direct buttons may seem limiting, the R100 transforms the learning experience into an engaging journey that can enhance your photography skills while keeping the process enjoyable and rewarding. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Sony ZV-1F vlog camera. Are you ready to take your vlogging to the next level without stretching your budget? The Sony ZV-1F is an outstanding option for you. This compact camera is designed specifically for engaging vlogging, ensuring you have everything you need at an affordable price. You'll appreciate its fast and precise autofocus system, featuring Sony's acclaimed eye-tracking technology that keeps your face sharp and in focus, adding a polished touch to your videos. With the ZV-1F, the 360-degree screen allows you to experiment with creative angles, making your shooting experience enjoyable and intuitive. The user-friendly touchscreen interface helps you jump right into capturing high-quality video and audio in no time. Additionally, the automatic face brightening and skin tone smoothing features can enhance your visuals, although they may not be to everyone's taste. However, it's important to recognize that the budget-friendly design may not be as durable as premium models like the ZV-E10. The plastic construction is decent, but might not withstand significant drops. Outdoor footage may also appear somewhat muted, and you might find the digital stabilization lacking during walk-and-talk shots. Still, if most of your filming is done indoors, the ZV-1F truly shines. Boasting a built-in microphone that surpasses most smartphones and easy sharing options for social media, the Sony ZV-1F is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious creators ready to elevate their vlogging journey. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which cheap camera you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.